Number 26. The following are parts of a flower. We have the anther, we have the style, we have the ovary, and we have the stigma. Which pair of the plant's parts is involved in pollination? To be able to answer this question, you need to know the parts of a flower and the functions of those parts. Possibly before we go to the answers, let's have a look at a picture of common parts of a flower. This is a flower, and we are shown the parts. So we have the anther, which we have here. We have the filament. The filament is a part supporting the anther, and both the filament and the anther are called stamen. We have the petal, that is the flowery, the colorful part of the flower. We have the sepal. It is that part that covers the flower before it blooms. We have the stigma. This is where the pollen is deposited to be taken to the ovary for fertilization. Then we have the style, that part that joins the ovary and the stigma. And this part is known as pistil. So the part the question is, which pair of the plant part is involved in pollination? So the parts that are involved in pollination are, we have one, anther. So this part here is involved in pollination, because this is where the pollen is. So the pollen is taken and deposited here. So the pollen is deposited here so that it is able to go to the ovary. So this part is a stigma. So the parts that are involved in pollination are these two. And if you check your answer, the one that has the correct answer is D. That is 1 and 4. So we have A, 1 and 3. Ovary is not involved in pollination. Ovary is involved in fertilization. We have 2, style. Style is not involved. Style is just to a pathway of the pollen to get through to the ovary. We have C, 3, ovary is not involved in pollination. So that is a correct answer. Anther and stigma. So very important to know the parts of the flower, which is what you have been taught in class.